Are you looking for ways to make money online to boost your monthly income stream or even begin a new career? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will concentrate on both short and long-term digital resource-based income opportunities. Let's now determine what best fits your needs and availability. Why not make effective use of the skills, expertise, or knowledge you've developed over the years? By sharing what you know to turn your passion into a profitable business, or by providing your skills as a service to others, you can earn a decent income. The first method is freelancing. You can make almost any creative office job into a freelance gig, or even a profession out of data entry, writing, design, and coding, among other things. Actually, majority of big companies rely on freelancers to swiftly extend their operations. For example, by recruiting remote salespeople or to outsource non-core services like bookkeeping or customer support. Sign up for a freelancing platform such as Fiverr or Upwork is a quick method to get started with freelancing. However, a more effective way to get started is to interact with your potential customers personally and offer your services in an engaging manner. And the good thing is you can start it right away. Even without a professional network, you can start working on a project right now. And there is less effort. It's fast to get started, but you can only earn money while working. You may eventually be able to scale by hiring more people and establishing an agency. As a rule, try to double your in-house hourly wage. Freelance work can pay tens of thousands of dollars for a single project on the top end. Second method is by creating an online course. Online courses are digital products, as opposed to freelance work, that need some advanced planning but are infinitely scalable. If you promote your course online, you can produce it once and sell it 1,000 times. Make online courses and sell them. With the help of websites like Teachable, Skillshare, and Udemy, you may reach a large audience and get paid by those who are interested in learning your skills. If you're already an expert in your field and have some knowledge to share, you can build an online course on several platforms, like Udemy for launching your first course, Skillshare for teaching creative skills, Teachable for creating an online school with advanced marketing, Podia for selling digital products and memberships, Thinkific for customizable add-ons, Kajabi for marketing, a course on autopilot, Mighty Networks for building a paid community, Simplero for managing your business. However, it requires time up front to write, research, and organize your course. Fortunately, it just needs to be done once. If you set your course pricing at $50, and even if 1,000 people enroll, you will make $50,000. Third method is by becoming a coach. It is another good option to make the most of your domain expertise. The need for coaches is expanding quickly. Worldwide, according to the International Coaching Federation, there are currently more than 70,000 coaches. You could choose to consider the following kinds of online coaching. The key is to be able to use your knowledge and experience to guide others toward success. To begin, find out if anyone in your network would be willing to pay you to teach them a skill in which you are highly skilled. The good thing is you can start instantly. You only need Wi-Fi and Zoom, but establishing a profitable coaching business requires extensive knowledge and preparation. Since word-of-mouth referrals typically bring in the majority of clients, you must typically establish your coaching abilities before you can truly scale. The ideal time to become a coach is when you can truly help someone who is just starting out in life. As a result, pay might vary greatly from $50 to hundreds of dollars per hour. Fourth method is you can work as an online tutor. If you'd like to teach a skill, like math, French, or music, but coaching sounds too nebulous, you can do so online with ease. Start by searching online for tutoring requests and creating a profile on a few tutoring platforms. Your tutoring might be occasional or take up the majority of your day, depending on the demand for your expertise. Getting your first client could take a few days or even weeks. It will take some dedicated efforts to attract quality clients. but as word of mouth about your services grows, it will get easier. Although payment is typically made immediately, the market average will limit your ability to set a higher price. Now, we will share with you some short-term income sources with which you can earn a decent amount of money. What's most important is you should try to monetize your time. You don't need to be an expert to earn money online, because there are still many of different possibilities available to you. To take advantage of this next set of lucrative chances, all you need is some free time and an internet connection. Help out as a virtual assistant. More people than ever are starting their own businesses, and the majority of them need to assign administrative duties so they may concentrate on their main venture. Being a virtual assistant could be an excellent opportunity to earn additional money online if you don't mind answering the phone, writing birthday messages, organizing expenses, and monitoring social media. Reach out to executives and business owners you admire. Apply on a number of online networks for virtual assistant employment. Here, demand surpasses supply, so you can anticipate landing your first job really soon. You only need a few days or a few weeks to find the right gig in this area. Also, it could be helpful for you to research how existing virtual assistants set up their processes and make a list of productivity hacks. As an example, consider how executives employ virtual assistants. You can earn up to $20 to $60 per hour or more for highly esteemed virtual assistants. Take online surveys for cash. Completing a few online surveys could be the best option if you need money immediately and don't want to be tied to contract terms. Start by looking through online survey platforms such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, then make a profile to get matched with various surveys. That's it. Only need a few minutes. It takes no effort at all to begin. The actual surveys can take 10 to 30 minutes to complete. The typical payout for an individual survey is $20 or less. Amazon or Starbucks gift cards are occasionally awarded for completing surveys. Always use caution and confirm that the platform you choose to use is legitimate. It is also advisable to read the terms of service and privacy policies before submitting any personal information. Remember that depending on your region and demographics, different surveys might not be available to you. Try user testing website and apps. It is important for businesses to know who their target market is when creating products, especially digital ones. Consequently, before launching, they regularly use small focus groups to test the usability of their websites and apps. Usually, all you have to do is complete certain tasks, while a UX designer monitors you or observes you on video. For this, all you need to do is sign up on a website such as User Testing, Lookback, Try My UI. In the highly competitive world of project announcements, you have to act quickly. Although you may finish a few in an hour, reviews can pay anything from $5 to $10. Narrating audiobooks. Do you enjoy reading aloud? And do you have a nice voice? You may attempt narrating audiobooks, advertisements, and web articles as a side gig. Let me give you a heads up. Not everyone is cut out for narration. Possessing complete control over your voice is essential. Acting experience would also be beneficial. Perhaps you should start a podcast as a means of getting experience. Due to the close-knit nature of the profession, success in it also depends on your ability to actively network and attend multiple auditions. However, getting your first project in this field could take up to a month, and it is not easy to narrate. But it can feel like a real retreat depending on your day work. Depending on the project, narrators typically receive pay on par with other highly skilled creative workers. Monetize your physical and digital products. You can generate money on the internet by selling real goods. It's not just made up of zeros and ones. If you have the time to devote into creating, marketing, and selling your products, both digital and physical goods can be very profitable businesses. Write and sell an ebook. People are interested in can be a scalable side business for writers. Solutions to some frequent issues might be known to you from your professional experience, or you can research further. Then you could compile all of the information that is available and put it into a book. Just put your ebook for sale on Amazon or your own website. No printing press or graphic designers are required. You can build up a sizable income in approximately a year by continuing to write books on particular subjects for your book portfolio. But you need dozens of hours to write even short ebooks. After making a significant upfront investment, you'll need to help the book launch with some marketing and sales initiatives. Making money selling books is not a quick process, but sales will begin to compound as you continue to publish books. Trade domain names. The best time to get into the domain names trade was in the 1990s. The second best time might be now. The increasing significance of branding also increases the value of holding quality domain names. Actually, profitable businesses can be launched using domain names with great potential for organic search traffic. Invest about a week studying the SEO tools needed to track online visitor patterns. The good thing is it is easy to start. However, it's rare to find good domain names. One domain name can bring in thousands of dollars. However, the revenue stream is somewhat inconsistent and mainly uncontrollable. Go big on dropshipping and e-commerce. Some people are good at predicting which goods are going to be in demand in the near future. So why not launch an online store offering goods that consumers would likely be interested in purchasing? Without maintaining unnecessary inventory, you may either sell your own products or rely on dropshipping platforms to deliver goods for you. Depending on what you're selling and whether you need to register your online store as a business, starting can take anywhere from a few days to more than a month. Some photographers just upload previously taken images. Others take photos specifically because they believe they will be in demand. But the payoff in this field is inconsistent and supplementary to your main activities. Not only is having a sizable online following something you may brag to your friends about, but it's also a very successful strategy to make money online. Depending on the platforms you use and the strategies you want to use, there are a wide variety of methods you can monetize your audience. Get advertising revenue from YouTube. Running a successful YouTube channel now is similar to hosting a talk show 30 years ago. In addition, Google will pay you for views through advertising revenue. These days, people particularly enjoy watching how-to videos and AI-generated videos because they are low cost. To keep people interested, all you have to do is develop an interesting idea and carry it out in a compelling manner. It will take at least a few months to gain enough views to make a living. Unless you become really popular overnight, that requires a lot of luck. But even a basic video requires a substantial time commitment in its editing. Top YouTubers earn millions of dollars, but the majority earn very little or nothing at all. These are some of the best ways through which you can earn decent amount of income and achieve financial success. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you found this video valuable and insightful. If you have any questions or thoughts you'd like to share, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Before you go, remember to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on future videos. Your support means the world to us, and it keeps this community thriving. If you enjoyed today's video, feel free to share it with your friends, colleagues, or anyone you think might benefit from the insights we discussed.